How to send snaps without media upload on Snapchat. Hello guys, this is Atticus back with another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can send snaps without media upload on Snapchat. So let's get started. First, open up your Snapchat. After you open your Snapchat, media control are those pictures that you have taken from your photo and you can send them via your snap. So you can just take any photo and send them as a snap which are not taken from your snaps. So without that, you can still send your snaps by simply clicking on your snap. Just take a picture from your Snapchat and tap on send to, and then just send it to your friends. So here you can just send it to your friends, and after you do that, it's really simple. That's how you send snaps without media upload on Snapchat. Now, other than that, if you still want to send your picture from your iPhone that you've taken from your camera roll, you can always use a filter that's known as camera upload. Now, this is the photos option. Simply, allow your photos access and take a picture from here and send it to your friends. So it's that simple, guys. That is how you send snaps without media upload on Snapchat. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.